Hello, I'm back basically for another tutorial. So where we last left off is we last left off doing the actual skin of the character. So we did the actual skin of the character right there, I think. So now what I'm going to do is go deselect. And now what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to go into the bikini texture and I'm going to probably add the bikini string color, whatever that is. So what I did is I have like a certain mask color for this last time. So I'm going to actually end up going into here and turn that off. And now what I'm going to do is kind of select what's going to be used for the bikini string texture. And I'm going to select this entire area right here. Like that. Like that. Like that. And select that kind of like that. So we're going to select that, and now we're going to select a green color right here. And this is going to be like the green color that's going to be used for bikini string mask. So this is a bikini string mask, so we're going to select that, and we're just going to go into here and go fill right here, which is a hotkey for this, is basically insert on your keyboard. So we're going to select that, we're going to go like that, and we're going to turn that to multiply so we can see right through, the line drawing and see what we're doing. So now we're going to go select, deselect, or we're going to click, or we're going to basically go into here and click CTRD for deselect. So whenever you want to cancel an object, cancel an item or a polygon select, you would just basically right click on it, for example. Which I'm going to grab my pen and I'm just going to add that right there. Right about there. And now we're just going to select that. Double click on that. So we select that and we're just going to go insert like that. And now we're just going to go deselect like that. And now I'm just going to go on to the other side right here. And select this right here like that. So we have that now selected. And now we're just going to triple click on that. And now we're going to go into insert, like edit, and we're going to go fill right here. We're going to hold down CTR and D, and we're going to deselect that, which is a hotkey for this. Or we can just go into select, edit, deselect right here, which a hotkey is showed right about there. So now I'm just going to go into here and keep adding right here. Like that. Like that pretty much. And now we're going to select this, double click on that, and now we're going to go into an edit, fill right there, or we can hit insert on a keyboard. go deselect, select, deselect right here. Got out of that, I think. And now we're just going to go into here and select like that right there. So select that, double click on that, go into edit, fill like that, go deselect right there, and just go into here, I think. Select that, we're going to triple select that, we're just going to go into fill, to edit, and we're going to go select, deselect right here so you can see what I'm doing. Sorry about what I did, I messed up on another video, so I'm going to try to do better on this video right here to show you exactly everything what I'm doing. So now we're just going to go into here like that, like that. Now we're just going to triple select that, undo that. So we're going to hold down CTRL-Z for undo, which is edit, which is CTRL-Z undo, and CTRL-Y for redo in case you make a mistake. But what we're going to do is we're going to hit fill right there, edit, fill right here where you can see. And now we're going to start focusing on this piece right here, getting that piece done. And now we're just going to start adding the pieces together. And we're going to go edit, fill, no, not edit, fill, we're just going to go into here and go, actually I'm going to select that green again, edit, fill, deselect, actually deselect right there, and now I'm just going to go into here and just go delete like that. Go deselect right here. Go into here and I'm going to select this. And now I'm just going to select this entire thing and just go edit, fill. And now I'm just going to go filter, deselect right here. Select this entire thing, edit, fill. We're going to go edit, fill right here, which is insert on our keyboard, and we're going to go deselect right here. Now I'm just going to make a couple minor adjustments to this. And the reason why I have everything on one layer is, actually I'm going to delete that, and now I'm just going to go deselect right here. And the reason why I have everything on one layer is so I can edit this in the future. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this right here, And then this mask, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to select this entire mask. And now I'm just going to go into the magic wand tool, which I'm going to click. And I'm going to click on this right here. Make sure that the layer is active while you're doing that. And now I'm going to go back to here. And this is the area I want affected right here. So now what I'm going to do is go into here. And I want to try to go kind of like into here, and now I want to go into here and raise up the brush pattern like that, and just kind of erase some of this edges right here. That goes right about there. And I want to make sure that the hard brush and the capacity and the flat is all the way up high for this, because you want this as hard as possible. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go into here and I'm going to erase some of the bits right here. This makes things a lot more easier to edit right here. So we have that all done. We're almost done. So whatever this selection is right here, we're going to go into here and kind of erase all of the ends that's protruding over the skin. We don't want to get too much, so this is definitely very, very good. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to leave this, and I'm just going to go deselect. That's so good so far. On the next tutorial, what I'm going to be doing is, so what I can now do now is start doing some of the masks that's going to be used for the skin. So now I'm just going to go into the top right here, make sure that this is turned off. And now I'm just going to go into here, like that. And just select some of this right here. Like that, and just select all of that. Go into bikini texture, and we're going to select the orange texture. We're going to go into the top, and we're going to go edit, fill like that, and now we're just going to go deselect. We're going to turn that to multiply right there. And now I'm just going to go into here and select this entire area right here. Right there, I think. Right there, I think. And now we're going to go into here and select this right here. And actually, I'm just going to go into here and just go edit, fill, go deselect right here, and now I'm just going to select this piece right here, like that, and select that, and now I'm just going to go edit, fill, go into here, deselect, can go into here, select this entire thing right here, select this, double click, just go into here and go edit, fill, go into here, go deselect right here, go insert, which is on my keyboard, which is by the right beside the number pad I think I have on my keyboard. And this, so you can, if you click on here, you can switch the direction to make things a lot more easier. Which for me to pan, from when I'm panning, I'm actually holding down the space bar. So when I hold down the space bar, I can navigate like this. I could move around like that. While holding down the space bar, you can go into here and I'm sorry if I'm going a little bit too fast, but if you hold down the space bar, there's certain things you can do. You can maximize to the selection like that, so you can see the whole entire selection, or you can go 100% like that, which is right in the middle. Or if you hold down the middle mouse key button on your mouse, you can scroll down and zoom right in and scroll right in. If you hold down CTRL and if you hold down the middle mouse button, you can also pan too as well. If you hold down the middle mouse button like this, you can do a whole bunch of stuff pretty much. But pretty much if you hold down pretty much pan, you can do everything all in one. So I'm just going to go out of this, deselect. Just going to go edit, fill, or click insert on my keyboard. Fill. Go edit, fill like that. Go deselect. And now I'm just going to go into here again. Just make that incision. So edit, fill like that. Just go deselect right here. Just going into here and like that. Right here. Just go into here and just go edit, fill, or click insert on my keyboard, which I'm going to say that. Now I'm just going to go deselect. So we have that already done. So we have the skin already done. So now I'm going to show you a little trick. So if we were to go into here, and let's say if I were to go into here where we can see this better, I'm going to put this at normal. I'm going to put the orange, which we're going to make sure that this is selected, put that at normal. So now I'm going to show you a little trick. If we go into here and make sure that the magic wand key is selected, or you can hold down, let's say basically W to have the magic wand key selected, whatever it is. We're going to select the green, which is this right here. We're going to make sure that the layer where you have the mask that you want to select is on. And we're going to select that basically right there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go on to the top right here, which is a bikini. For the bikini color where the main color is going to be, we're going to select that, and now what we're going to do is we're going to hit like delete like that. No, not delete. I forgot what I'm going to... Yeah, now what we're going to do is we're going to go into select. We're going to hit inverse right here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to delete the outside edges where we don't want this to have effect like that. Like that. So now we have like our two masks ready to be selected. So that's our mask right there, and that's pretty much a mask that we have selected right there, ready to be used. So now I'm just gonna go into here and I'm gonna edit this a little bit more. So like that. So now we're gonna select the green right here. Hit the insert key on our keyboard, go deselect, go into here. So just sharpen this up a little bit, insert on my keyboard, and then go deselect. And that's pretty much done basically with part actually 2 of this tutorial. I hope you really enjoy, and I hope that I've really helped you out a lot. And now we're done basically part 2 in this tutorial. The next tutorial is we're going to go on depth of the skin texture, and we're going to actually start separating the different pieces from the different pieces of the mask image, which is going to be the left leg, the right leg. We're going to separate the stomach, the chest. We're going to separate both of the arms, and we're going to separate the head. You'll see what I mean once we get more into the tutorial. What I'm meaning. You're going to see how much more easier this is. So now I'm just going to go out of here, and I'm just going to go here in here and just go. Just stop that for a sec, and